If you're facing billing holds on your DoorDash account, follow these simple steps to resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Check your payment method. Log into your DoorDash account and navigate to the payment section. Ensure that your payment method is valid and has sufficient funds. Update any expired or incorrect information. Step 2. Clear your account balance. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 3. Contact customer support. If the hold persists, reach out to DoorDash customer support. Use the app or website to find the help section and submit a request explaining your issue. They can provide specific guidance. Step 4. Verify your account information. Ensure that your account information is accurate and up to date. This includes your email address, phone number, and billing address. Incorrect information can lead to billing holds. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. After taking the necessary steps, wait for confirmation from DoorDash that the hold has been removed. You should receive an email or notification once the issue is resolved. By following these steps, you should be able to quickly remove any billing holds on your DoorDash account. If problems persist, consider checking for any service updates or further assistance from customer support.